Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 28 of 100 days of cloud by cloud. In that day 28 task, we're going to create a private ECR repository in the AWS and we need to push an image to the ECR repository that we have created. So check the task clearly here. Create a private ECR repository with the name of data center ECR and there is a Docker file under the root/py app on the AWS client, and we need to build the Docker image by using the Docker file, and we need to push the same image to the ECR repo that we are created, and the tag must be latest. So just check the image that is available under the py directory, and Python app and Docker file was available. First, create the ECR repository in the AWS. Copy the username and the password. ECR repository is same like in a Docker Hub, but Docker Hub is an open source platform. ECR is an AWS service that is available for paid. Search for ECR. Fully elastic container registry service. Create the repository. Give the name of the repo, and that should be data center ECR. And the image tag settings, keep it mutable. Then we can change if the tag of the image should be changed, we can change. Click on create. The repository was created. Now we need to push the Docker image into this repository. We don't need to remember any of the commands to push the image to this ECR repository. Click on view push commands, and then these are the 4 steps to push an image into the ECR repository. So first copy the first command. Now the login was succeeded. Copy the second command, and also make sure to you're on the root directory that the Docker file was available, and this is the Docker file that was available. Now paste the second command. Now the image was building. After the completing of the image build, we can push the image to the ECR repository, and it was successfully built, and it is attached the tag latest. Copy the third command and try to retag according to the ECR repository, and the retag also done. Copy the last command. Now the image was pushing to the ECR repository. Now the image was pushed to the ECR repository. Now check in the ECR repository image was successfully pushed or not, and we can see here with the latest tag image was pushed at the time of 6/16 Jan 20th. If you click on the tag, and we can see the repository name and size of the image. That's it. Now we can check the task. and one thing was important, make sure to tag the image with the latest tag. Click on check. And we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video.